In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save a project on CapCut PC. So without any more time wastage, let's jump here. First, I'm going on CapCut, then I open a project. So this is my video example purpose. Okay, I want to stay with timeline, then again just split. Okay, example purpose, this is my project. So how to save it, right? So just click on close this app. Now again open your software here. So I want to again open, then you can see it's already saved on my PC. So again click on this project, recent project. Wow, you can see this is my project. So this is a method you can save a project on CapCut PC. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. If you have any questions, please comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.